Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Acorns for micro investing, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with deploying Acorns for micro investing, download the Acorns app from your preferred app store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Get Started button. You will then be prompted to create an account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Next, enter your personal information, such as your name, phone number, and residential address. Acorns will ask for your social security number for identity verification purposes. Enter this information carefully. After providing your details, you'll need to complete a short questionnaire about your financial goals and risk tolerance. This information helps Acorns curate an investment strategy tailored to your preferences. Once you've filled out the questionnaire, you'll be directed to choose an investment plan. Acorns features several investment options based on different risk levels. Select the one that aligns with your financial goals. After selecting your plan, link your bank account to allow for fund transfers into your Acorns account. You can choose to round up your purchases to the nearest dollar, investing the change into your selected portfolio. To enable roundups, toggle the feature on and connect your debit or credit card. Acorns also offers the option to set up recurring investments. Select your preferred amount and frequency. Review your investment plan and the fees associated with your chosen portfolio. Once everything looks good, tap on Invest to finalize your setup. Now your Acorns account is active, and your funds are being invested according to your selected plan. Track your investments regularly through the app to monitor your performance. Take advantage of the educational resources Acorns provides to enhance your financial literacy. Consider increasing your investment amounts as you gain confidence and experience with micro-investing. Acorns offers features like Found Money, where you can earn additional investment funds through partner offers. Explore these options to further enhance your investment growth. Remember to review your portfolio periodically to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. With these steps, you're now ready to deploy Acorns for successful micro-investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.